All right. Um, my name is Shant Koka, and I'm representing I Need a Hero. I'm working on this project solo. It's a tower defense game. Hopefully, I'm adding a VR element as my core technology. If not, then I'll probably be doing A star or some interesting flocking algorithm with enemies. So, current state of my project, uh, I'll just run what I have. Yeah, there's just this big ground, and you have your base that spawns in the middle. This is very temporary. This is representing an enemy, and it has a state machine where every few seconds it switches state, and that's all I've done for the state machine so far. Regarding inventory, you can see that you can like scroll through your hotbar, I guess, and then you have these blocks. You can place them down. They cost 2 scrap each. You also have this destroy thing in the inventory. You can destroy these other objects. You can't destroy the base though. That's not allowed. Um, yeah, that's the current state of this part of the project. And as for VR, I have this little VR test scene going. I have tested it in my Oculus Quest. It's working, and I can actually like use the hand tracking. It was awesome. Just need to figure out how I'm going to combine that with this game right here. I'm thinking of a possibly tabletop scenario. So you're just going to be watching this from like a bird's eye view, and you'll tell the player where to go, and it's going to have to use some navigation system to walk around wherever you want it to. Yeah, there's a lot of like foundational elements to this, and I'm still like cranking out all like the nitty-gritty details. Regarding the code, some things I pulled up you may have seen in my tech doc, but I am going with an entity component system because I think it works nicely in terms of keeping things organized. And this is what an entity class looks like in case you're curious. One small example where it becomes really nice to have this system in place is having a health component that I'm probably going to end up using this for the player, the base, and like every single enemy as well. And then who knows what else might end up needing health in the game. Um, yeah, I also have a state machine going, and this is what I was testing out earlier today. It seems to be working fine so far. Pretty much model after the one I did for the assignment 4, but I just switched it over to GDScript because it's easier to debug. Yeah, and keeping things organized regarding code. A lot of foundational parts just sitting here ready to be added to. Um, yeah, that's the state of my alpha. Thanks.